Morning. We got World Nate in the building. And today is gonna be, if you want to see a preview of what we did today, check this out. Dedication! Hard work! Dedication! Hard work! Dedication! So here we go. What's up? We got Deddy.
I'm the driver.
Deddy, our tour guide slash driver. Dedication 6. Here we go.
Nice to meet you.
When we go back, forget something.
Real life film behind the scenes. Forgot the batteries. I've done this multiple times, of course. Luckily, we're only like 5 minutes away. We got to turn back.
Thank you.
This is what you don't see.
I'm glad you spoke up.
Long, bumpy rides in the back of a van.
Yeah.
For 30 minutes plus.
Who knows how long.
That's what you don't see. That was a quick, like 30-minute, little bumpy ride. We made it for the shots.
Feels good to be out.
Now we're taking shots. So if you've ever seen Teletubbies, apparently it looks like this. If you don't know what the Teletubbies is, let me know in the comments. Anyway, this is it. Teletubbies Hill.
Okay, I think I want to take a picture where you did. Where was it? Just like down the Arnold.
I see a Teletubby.
Yeah, I'm like, that's.
He took his costume off.
Those are like the monkeys when they...
Yeah.
Take all the bugs out?
The fleas. It's like a group love set. Aww, you guys are amazing.
What you don't see, when your clothes get covered in prickles and the gang has to unprick you because you went into the forest for the shot. That's a wrap for Teletubbies Hill.
You were like yellow. I was like, yeah, for sure.
Got the shot?
Got the shots.
Alright, shots. Coming up.
It's a neck workout.
Yeah. Neck stabilizers. So you've pretty much been organizing this whole trip.
Pretty much.
Pretty much. For the Passport Heavy video and crew of like 20 people. So for the behind the scenes, like what goes into that? Like what's that like?
So basically, you just email a lot of companies and tell them that you are doing a YouTube video or like whatever, posting on Instagram. And then you just reach out to them and say, hey, in exchange for being in our video or on our post, can you comp us 6 free people or however many free people?
Yeah, give us a discount or totally free or make a deal with them.
Yeah.
In exchange for getting you guys some publicity.
Yep.
Okay.
And basically everyone does it because they want to make their business better. So.
Yeah. So it's a win-win for everyone. And that's how they do it behind the scenes, Passport Heavy. Yeah, well, thanks for doing all this and organizing it.
You're welcome.
It's been good. It's only day 2 though. Now we're coming up to the beach. Check out this view though. Woo. So this is the Instagram walking up shot.
Classic shot. Leaning leg. How's that?
Looks pretty dope. This right here is sick.
Like white sand.
Just walking down this to this perfect heavenly beach and this like white wall right here and like this railing. I don't know, man, this is just one of those moments that's just hitting me. I just want to share it with you, future self and future friends and current friends. Oh my gosh. If you are young, dumb, and broke, I was there. And hey, you can be out here. I don't care if you're 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 32, 42. Yo, this flexible life is real. It's just real. And you can bring a Bluetooth speaker anywhere you want in the world. That's what I gotta say right now. So all I have to say pretty much is this is one of the most impressive beaches I've ever seen. Beautiful. So if you are in Bali and you want to do the day trip to Nusa Penida, this is in the east part of the island. This is Diamond Beach. Diamond Beach. On the huge cliff. Just a cliff with the white sand and the crystal blue water. Makes this a very special place in Bali. See you here soon. It is like 2 hours later. People have been swimming. I've been chilling mostly in the shade. Yuri's getting some shots. Lars is getting some thumbnail pics. And we just living that life right now. So by the, history, decide. Get all the shots, Yuri?
Anybody want to swing?
Huh?
Got all the shots.
Everything? Got all the shots? Put in that work?
Swing? You want to swing on the swing?
Oh yeah, the girls will swing. No, the girls will definitely swing.
Oh yeah.
Have a look at the road.
Now we're hitting the swing. They're charging us 100K, which is about $7.
You're the person always standing in front of me. Arnold? Yeah.
Whoa. Woo! This is actually fun. Jabril just goes quietly, like he's like, yeah, that's probably one of the nicest places I've ever been. It might be faster. Diamond Beach. What had just happened is it took everyone wanted to take so many photos and videos that it literally took like 3 hours of us down there on Diamond Beach, and we missed lunch. Half of the gang was eating lunch. Anyway, everyone's hungry. Yeah, you had some amazing lunch. Yeah, I'm sure it was good. Anyway, off to the next spot, and I'm gonna eat later. You got to sacrifice meals to get the shots. That's right. Yeah.
What we do? Hard work.
Dedication.
Hard work.
Dedication.
Hard work.
Dedication.
We had the best pictures.
Or like acting like this person, then we're gonna get the responses from them because that's how we're acting. So then we're gonna think that's what they think we are because that's actually how we're acting to them to get that response. And then we are imprisoned by it. Whereas like as soon as we go to somewhere like Bali,
Sun is setting here. Got a little bit of sun today, you can probably see.
how warm's the pool?
Oh, this is so warm. Oh, my feet like hurt because all of our legs got burned.
Yeah, yeah, the sunburn like burned.
Like we were laying in the cave and like still got burned.
Yeah,
I like took a little nap.
bad.
Anyway, legs got fried. So you've been traveling like how many years? Been
I don't know, like 5 I think.
like 5.
Yeah.
Living location independent.
Yeah.
Still hasn't learned how to put it on sunscreen. Still hasn't learned.
Right? Wait, have you?
I mean, I put some on, but like you know, you still gotta know the advanced
ways. We were in
ways.
the sun for a long time. Like,
Yeah, we were, and like I'm sure like it sweated off. Been meaning to ask you. I've been trying to do a video with like everyone. So, like he just said, he's been traveling, doing the online digital nomad life for the past 5 years. So if you don't know, World Nate, huge on Instagram and YouTube. Check him out if you don't know him. I started following him on Instagram and YouTube a couple years ago when you were in one of Jabril's videos.
Oh, true. Yeah,
Yes.
It's
Yes.
funny how word gets out, right?
So people who may not know who you are, this is the big question. How do you make money and keep traveling? How do you do it for someone that knows nothing?
Well, we first started a travel blog and then just run like a bunch of different affiliate offers through my blog. So like affiliate offers, like when you partner with Amazon, like if you've ever read a blog post where someone has like a link to something and then you end up on Amazon where you go to purchase. If you make a purchase, chances are the person that's written the blog post will get like a small percent for having someone purchase a product.
Yeah, Amazon associate links.
Yeah, and so it's called like affiliate marketing.
Or affiliate links,
yeah. And so you can do that with a bunch of companies, like the biggest companies in the world. And like most companies around have like this affiliate program, so that if you sell something on behalf of a company, you make a percent.
Yep, get a little referral fee or commission, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah,
so that's how you got started initially.
Yeah,
through growing your blog
and running Facebook ads. So like I do a lot of social media marketing. So like Facebook ads has been a really big one. Thank you. Gin and tonics just arrived.
Oh yeah, it's about that time. Living that good life. Gin and tonic o'clock. I don't even know. Every day's a weekend, like when you live on your own time and you have a flexible schedule, which is the whole point, you know, of what we're talking about. So you were doing Facebook marketing like towards affiliate products or towards your own products or just to grow your blog or what?
Affiliate products.
Oh
no, towards my blog, which are loaded with different affiliate products.
Interesting.
And just market.
So you were just trying to grow your blog, grow your brand, your World Nate travel brand.
And I use Facebook ads to like get it out there. Because you can pay for ads to put your stuff out in front of people. Because like I had no followers.
Yeah.
And no fans. Like I started from scratch. So I needed to get followers. So that's how I did it. Use like paid advertising to sell stuff for companies. Yeah. And then when I get paid in commissions, like I'll just reinvest and like grow and kind of grow it from a business standpoint versus just trying to grow like an Instagram account organically kind of.
Yeah. So
so I'd put my things out there and then if people liked it, then I'd engage and then I'd get more and over time like it would grow.
Then it would kind of grow organically.
Yeah. And then you get loaded with fans who are like interested in what you do.
Yeah. A lot of those people obviously like love you and stick around. Yeah. So I've been following you for a couple years. You got the whole following, you know, because you mixed in the paid advertising to grow, which I really need to get into that soon. YouTube ads, Instagram ads, because I see your Instagram ads all the time. And I actually tried to copy one of them because I was like, that's so good. And like I see them all the time. It's like, you know, to get your face in front of so many more people that like probably might love you, you know, but they're not not going to find you organically. So it makes total sense. And then what you're doing now is you have your own course, your own program, you got your own merch and everything. Wired Creatives.
We put together Wired Creatives, which is like it's like a company for creative people. It's like a place where creative people can come and learn how to brand themselves as like a personal brand and sell products because there's so much opportunity that comes with having one later down the track. So just kind of help people get started in that area. Just as we did ourselves.
Yes, absolutely.
Paying it forward in a way.
Yeah, exactly. Paying it forward, helping people navigate the journey that you have been through. You've learned so much. And like me too, just like shitting out videos here and there, like not really knowing what I'm doing. And like now I'm trying to figure out ways to monetize my audience that like I have. And so like,
and it takes time, right? And everyone's got to figure that out. But there is a lot of opportunity out there. You just have to find what it is you want to do and ultimately make transactions and sell products so that you can actually make a living, because you have to make some kind of transactions, whether you're selling someone else's product or service or your own.
Building a personal brand is one of the best businesses you can have long term, because it's a business of you being you, and no one can fire you from being you. And the thing that I will end on is, this is something I've talked about before, is we should all kind of think about what our personal brand is going to be long term. But I think you'll probably agree, and it's been part of my journey too. I started getting my initial income because, like, you know, a lot of people out there want to be digital nomads and start making money online like soon.
Yeah.
And so my initial income came from something like Amazon, like having my own product on Amazon, like e-commerce, whatever.
Yeah.
And then building my personal brand on the side for a more long-term thing.
Yeah.
Because what I've found and kind of what I've noticed out there is to build a personal brand takes a number of years.
Because, and a lot of people have this misconception that they're going to become an influencer like overnight, and it's just like impossible. So I do recommend, like, for those of you that want to like work and travel, there's a lot of opportunity to work abroad. There's a lot, like, you could go teaching English as a second language, or you could, if you have a skill already, like I often say, like, if people have a skill, let's say you're an accountant, right? You're like, I don't want to do accounting anymore. Well, I get it that you might not want to do accounting anymore, you might want to go travel, but there could be opportunity in the skills that you already have to take it online. Maybe get a few clients, start freelance work, start an opportunity, build a personal brand as a side hustle. Like, you're going to have to work twice as hard to do these things, but like, everybody here, like everybody that's made something for themselves, they work really hard, right? And then so if you can take a skill that you have offline and take it online or work remotely somehow, then you can kick this off for yourself, and then you can start building a personal brand and work on it. Other people, like, there's just opportunity that comes in doing that. Because let's just use that example as an accountant that's now traveling. That's, you know, if you're a chartered accountant, you're traveling, you've got a couple of freelance clients, well, guess what? You're now in a space to be like, you're in an impressive situation for other accountants.
Yeah.
So there's just one opportunity.
Now you can have your course, like, how to help accountants go remote.
So it sounds funny and silly, but like, that's real opportunity right there.
Seriously, not shitting you guys. My Amazon business, we hired a remote accountant. He's also a digital nomad. Like, it was through a referral. And we love him. He handles our taxes, like our whole Amazon taxes, and he's doing it. Classic example.
Paid as an accountant traveling around.
Yep. There's more opportunity than ever, not just to create an online business, but getting started freelancing, taking a skill and bringing it onto Upwork, which is the largest one. Okay, there are others, but there's more opportunity than ever. Whether you're a lawyer, accountant, consultant, whatever, many opportunities to earn remotely. Because that's what it is at the end of the day. Because at the end of the day, a lot of us millennials, we want to travel and be able to work from wherever, and be able to, like, be out here, you know, coming out on a Thursday just with a bunch of other location independent cool people, and live the dream. World Nate, check him out on YouTube and Instagram. He's gonna go swim. Thanks, brother.
All right.
So we're at dinner now, and we just had to do the cheersing scene.
I'm still sweating, bro.
3 different times, because sometimes the gimbal doesn't work and then you don't get the smooth shot, so you got to do it over again. So anyways, we're just gonna have some beers and have some dinner, and we gotta let Yuri actually, like, enjoy his night. Now he's still filming. It don't stop. It don't stop.